Jill, making copies. Jilly dilly, chilly dilly ding dong. Jill the pill, chillin' with Jillin', making copies.
No, Scott, actually, I'm printing envelopes from the drawer because on the Canon, you don't have to use the bypass tray.
Jill, making copies.
Why does he work here?
Barbara Ann, Barbarella, putting some shrimp on the Barbie. Bop, 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 Ran. Bop, 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 Ran.
No, Scott, my name is Natalie.
Natalie Schmattily, Natalie, the Natalator. Making copies.
No, Scott, I am scanning into Microsoft Word so I can make edits later.
Ooh, making edits.
Oh, hey, Greg. How are you?
Good. Josh, how are you doing?
Good.
Josh. Greg. Josh and Greg. Joshua. Greg McMuffin with hash browns, making copies.
Oh, hey, Scott. How are you doing?
Making copies and making friends.
No, actually, Scott, I am printing a 47-inch long banner on this Konica Minolta.
And I'm just waiting so I can swipe my badge, prep my documents, and get back to work.
Oh, Joshua. Oh my gosh, it's Josh. The Joshua tree. Gregorama. Gregorini. The Gregonator.
I'm gonna go use a copier on the other side of the building.
Making copies somewhere else. Ah, Greg.
Yeah, see you later, Scott.
Scrambled Gregs. Walking away. Over easy. Guy. Big guy on campus. The go-to guy.
Big guy on campus.
You're the guy.
Oh, yeah, I'm the guy.
You're the man.
Yep.
Making copies, Mr. Roach.
Nope, Scott, I'm actually scanning this to the cloud, and then it's going to translate it into Spanish for me.
Whoa, Spanish. Making copies in Spanish. Espanol. Guy. You're the man, guy.
Espanol, okay.
Hey, guy. Hey, Scott.
Morning, Janet.
Jenny. Janetrini. Janetra. Janet Jackson doing the copy day.
Yep. Well,
Janet.
yeah, Janet.
I'm just about to scan some documents to my client's email.
I just finished. You know what? Good luck with this and that.
Senor Roach. Have a good day. Walking away, Mr. Roach.
So what's new, Scott?
Making copies on the Xerox Ultralink. Made in the USA.
Yes, I really am making a copy now.
Jimbo. Jimmy Dean, Jimmy Crack Corn, Jimalaya, Jimothy, Jimmy Beam, King James, Lord Jim, Slim Jim.
It's Jim.